Today, we will learn to write the number 6. The number 6 is special because it comes between 5 and 7. Let's practice writing it correctly. To write it, you make a small loop that starts at the top and curves downwards. Let's all practice writing the number 6 together and learn to do it correctly. To write the number 6, start at the top, make a small loop that curves downwards and to the left. Orange color 6. Blue color 6. Let's practice writing the number 6 together so that everyone can learn to write it correctly and easily. Red color 6. Yellow color 6. Light green color 6. Orange color 6. Blue color 6. Red color 6. Yellow color 6. Light green color 6. Orange color 6. Blue color 6. Red color 6. 6. Light green color 6. Blue color 6.